Smart automation, better business. Learn how to optimize your business with Solved.
Hi there, my name is Mason, and today we're going to be breaking it down back to the basics. If you've ever tried to figure out why one user can see something in Salesforce that another user can't, or why someone's screen looks completely different than yours, you've stumbled into one of the most confusing parts of the Salesforce platform. Roles, profiles, permission sets, permission set groups, and page layout assignments. These 5 things that control what users can see and do, and most people have no idea how they actually fit together. Today, I'm going to break all of this down in plain English. No jargon. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what each one does, why it matters, and when to use which. So before we get into each one, here's the mental model I want you to hold on to. Think of Salesforce Access in 2 buckets. Bucket 1 is what data you can see, which records are visible to you versus hidden. That's what roles control. Bucket 2 is what you can do with data. Can you edit a field, delete a record, run a report? That's what profiles and permission sets control. And then page layouts are a third entirely different thing. They control how a record looks on a screen, not what you're allowed to do with it. Once that clicks, the whole thing starts to make sense. Let's go through each one. So let's jump into roles. Roles control record visibility. They're organized in a hierarchy, like an org chart. Here's the rule. People higher up in the role hierarchy can see records owned by people below them. So a VP can see all their opportunities owned by their sales rep, but a rep can only see their own. This matters for reports and list views. If your sales manager pulls a pipeline report and it's missing half the team's deals, there's a good chance the role hierarchy isn't set up correctly. One important thing is roles have nothing to do with what you can edit or delete. That's a common misconception. Roles are purely about visibility. Every single user in Salesforce has exactly one profile. Think of it as the baseline rulebook for that type of user. Profiles control things like which objects a user can access, whether they can create or delete records, which fields they can read or edit, and what apps show up in their navigation. The classic setup is to have a few standard profiles, one for sales reps, one for managers, one for admins, and so on. The profile defines the floor of what the group users can do. Now here's where a lot of orgs go wrong. They try to handle every permission edge case inside profiles. One person on the sales team needs to export data, so someone clones the whole profile just for them. 6 months later, you have 15 different profiles that are nearly identical, and nobody knows which is which. That's where the true value of permission sets come in. So permission sets let you grant additional access on top of a user's profile without changing the profile itself. So instead of cloning a whole profile just because one person needs one extra permission, you create a permission set for that specific access and assign it to that user. It's clean, it's targeted, and it's easy to manage. Permission set groups take this a step further. Permission set group is just a bundle of permission sets. Instead of assigning 5 individual permission sets to every new sales rep, you put them all in a group and assign the group once. Way easier to manage at scale. The modern best practice in Salesforce is to use lean profiles, meaning profiles give the minimum baseline access, and then layer permission sets on top for anything additional. If you're still doing everything inside profiles, it's worth rethinking that approach. And then lastly, page layouts. This is about how records look, not what you're allowed to do. A page layout controls which fields show up on a record, in what order, and whether any fields are required. You can also control which related lists appear at the bottom of the page. Page layout assignments connect a specific layout to a specific profile. So your sales rep might see a simplified account layout with just the fields they care about, while your admins see the full thing. One thing people often confuse: you can use Lightning record pages to get even more control over the layout, including showing or hiding components based on record type or user profile. But that's a deeper topic for another video. So let's bring it all together. Roles control which records you can see based on hierarchy. Profiles are the baseline permission set for every user, one per user always. Permission sets add specific permissions on top of a profile, keeps things very clean. And permission set groups bundle multiple permission sets together for easier assignment. Page layout assignments control how a record looks for different types of users. These 5 things work together as a system. When they're set up well, your users see exactly what they need and nothing they don't. When they're set up poorly, you get confusion, security gaps, and a lot of support tickets. If you're not sure whether your org's permission sets are set up the right way, reach out to us with any questions and we'd be happy to help. Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching. We can't wait to help you automate your business. Please like, comment, or subscribe for more.